Hello everyone, and topic of this video is electric field due to a dipole. So before studying electric field due to dipole, first of all we have to study what is dipole or what is dipole moment. Okay, so when two charges, if two equal charges or opposite charges are separated by a small distance, which is here 2L, the system is said to be a dipole. Okay, if two equal and opposite charges are separated by a small distance, the system is said to be a dipole. So the most familiar example is H2O. Okay, so the in dipole moment, the definition is the product of the magnitude of charge and separation between the charges is called dipole moment. Okay, so here the dipole moment is defined as the product of the magnitude of charge. It means plus q minus q, then its magnitude is only q, so it's q. Okay, and the charges, separation between the charges, which is 2L, so it is 2L. Okay, so this is called dipole moment, which is represented by P. Yeah, P is dipole moment. Okay, and P is equal to Q into 2L, or we can also write P is equal to 2QL. Okay, so this is called dipole moment. Okay, and SI unit of dipole moment is coulomb meter. So why coulomb meter? So coulomb meter because Q, the SI unit of charge, is coulomb, and the SI unit of length is, we know, meter, so it's coulomb meter. Okay, and the dipole moment is a vector quantity. It means its magnitude and its direction is from negative charge to positive charge along the line joining the two charges. Okay, we are now in a position to calculate the electric field due to a dipole. Okay, so there are some cases in electric field due to a dipole. So first case is end-on position. Okay, so to derive the expression of the electric field dipole at a point P, so here two charges, minus q and plus q, okay, which is represented by A and B, and the mid of this charge is O, and the P is the point where we have to calculate the electric field. Okay, and the which lies on the axis, and this is known as end-on position, or this is also known as axial point. Okay, so suppose that the distance from A to B, the distance between the charges is 2L. Okay, it is 2L, दो चार्जेस के बीच का डिस्टेंस जो है वो 2L है. ठीक है, और O से लेकर पॉइंट P तक का जो डिस्टेंस है वो हम लोग सपोज कर लेते हैं R है. ठीक है, तो यहाँ से यहाँ तक का डिस्टेंस R है और यहाँ से यहाँ तक का डिस्टेंस जो है वो 2L है. तो इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड एट P ड्यू टू प्लस Q चार्जेस एट B is, we can write it as E1 is equal to K. We know that the electric field is K into Q upon R square. Okay, so K into Q upon, here the R square is the distance between the charges. Okay, so here the R is from 0 to P. Okay, and here the distance is 2L. So from here it can be separated by L and L. Okay, so now the distance from B to P is R minus L. Okay, so here we write it as R minus L, okay, square, and it is in direction of AP. So it is in direction of AP. Okay, and similarly for minus Q charge, or we can write the electric field which is E2. So this is for plus Q charge, and for minus Q charge the electric field is E2 is equal to K into Q upon, and here r minus L for q plus q, or for minus q it is r plus L. Okay, so here we write it as r plus L square. Okay, and this is the direction of the PA. This is the direction P. So here the E2 and this is E1. Now we have to calculate the resultant field, which is E. So we have to calculate the resultant field at point P, and the resultant field is E. So in the direction of the E1, since E1 is greater than E2, here E1 is greater than E2. Okay, so as r minus L is less than r plus L, so we write the equation E, which is resultant electric field, is equal to kq upon r minus L square. Okay, here r minus L whole square minus kq upon r plus L whole square. Taking common kq, so we write it as kq 1 upon r minus L square minus 1 upon r plus L square. Okay, and after solving it, we know that taking rq here, and this goes upside, this goes upside. Okay, so this is r plus L square minus r minus L square upon r minus 1 square, or r plus L square. Sorry, this is L. Okay, this is L. Now we know that r plus L square minus r minus L square, ये वैसे ही दिख रहा है जैसे हम लोग फॉर्मूला जानते हैं a प्लस बी स्क्वायर माइनस a माइनस बी स्क्वायर जो होता है वो 4ab होता है. यू नो दैट a प्लस बी स्क्वायर minus a minus b square is equal to 4ab. So from here we can write here kq into 4l r upon r square minus L square का whole square. Okay, and after we know that the we know that the dipole moment is P is equal to 2ql. So here 4lr and 4lr is given, so we know we can take common 2l from here, and q is given here, so we can write it as k 2p r, p is dipole moment, upon r square minus L square whole square. Okay, and after that we solving the lower part, and we get what we get, that E is equal to 2p upon 4 pi epsilon naught, which is the value of the k, into r upon r की power 4 1 minus L square upon r square whole square. Here we are taking common r to the power 4. So if r is very greater than L, okay, if r is very greater than L, then L square upon r square will be also very small than 1, so it can be neglected. Okay, from here it can be neglected, so the equation will become E is equal to 2p upon 4 pi epsilon naught r cube. Okay, so this is the electric field due to dipole on end-on position. Okay, so it shows that the electric field in the direction of the P, and its magnitude is inversely proportional to the third power of distance of observation point from the center of the dipole. Okay, so this is the third power of the distance of the observation point. Okay, so this is the equation of the electric field on in-on position. Okay. Thank you.